Zooey Deschanel and Jonathan Scott showed off their love at the star-studded Academy Museum of Motion Pictures premiere party on September 29. Zooey Deschanel, 41, and Jonathan Scott, 43, looked so in love during their latest public outing together. The couple, who have been dating for just over 2 years now, stepped out on Wednesday, September 29, for the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures premiere party in LA, which celebrated the opening of the movie museum. Zooey and Jonathan posed together for photos on the red carpet, and they each certainly dressed to impress for the star-studded event. The new girl alum dressed in a pink and black floral dress, and matched her look with pink heels and a black purse with pink trimming that she carried around. She comfortably cozied up on the carpet to her property brother's beau, who looked dapper in a white and blue polka dot button-up, which he covered with a navy jacket and matching pants. Jonathan's jacket fittingly had roses embroidered on it to go along with Zooey's floral look. Related gallery. Zooey Deschanel and Jonathan Scott, pics. Zooey and Jonathan's latest outing comes just 4 days after the lovebirds hit up Disneyland for a day trip with Zooey's kids Charlie, 4, and Elsie, 6. The foursome had a blast at the iconic theme park, and Jonathan was even pictured carrying Charlie on his shoulders. Zooey and Jonathan got some time to themselves as well, as the couple posed in front of Goofy dressed in a skeleton outfit and Donald Duck in a pumpkin costume. The stars first met while filming an episode of Carpool Karaoke in mid-2019, and their chemistry was instant. Hollywood Life actually broke the news about their romance, which came a week after Zooey announced her split from Jacob Beshnik, the father of her 2 kids. The actress and Jonathan have been going strong ever since, and Zooey even opened up about her supportive relationship with the HGTV star in a recent interview with HL. "He's just so nice and so kind," Zooey told us exclusively in June 2021. "I always feel that he's really there for me, and it just makes me want to always reciprocate that, and I'm very appreciative. He's a wonderful person."